When I started playing jazz guitar, I came from blues, from rock and roll, from folk, and a lot of different styles. None of them were famous for their comping skills, so I had to work a lot in changing my approach to this technique. One of the things that I suspected that were so important for changing my playing were inversions. I started practicing them in a blues, and I will show you how you can create movement with your comping only with just 1-2 inversions. What we're going to do is just to play a regular F blues, but changing our roots all the time. We are going to play 2 chords per measure, and we will move from our root position to our third inversion. We start in F9, and we are going to move here before going here. As you can see, we are mixing 4-note chords, shell voicings, and whatever it works for us to keep going with our exercise. Imagine, you can start with this chord, you can start with this chord, you can start with this chord, root, inversion, root, inversion. And now we can move to F here, but we are going to move to the first inversion. This is F7. And then going here. Two, 5. Fourth. Diminished. 1. Sixth. A couple of things to take a look. If we are playing fourth, I'm going to first inversion, and then I have the diminished chord very close. I just have to change this finger and keep going in minor thirds. So this is one of the possibilities. You don't have to do that. This is what you get written in the PDF. But you can explore in any directions or keep going up. Look how I connect going to the sixth here. It would be this inversion, third inversion, and then I move to the second inversion, going to G minor 7, C7, F, D, G, half step, and going back to the root. There are a lot of different ways of connecting this harmony. All I want is you to explore different directions, going always up, going always down, trying to stay and not move with a wide range in order not to break the connection of the voices. So once you have this technique under your fingers, you will hear the harmony in a very different way, because you will not be forced to go with the bass all the time, which is great to first read one tune or first read one progression, but in the end, when you are playing live or in a rehearsal or whatever, you will need to move things and connect things in different areas of the fretboard. You can easily achieve this 2 chord per measure thing if you include in your comping tritone subs. Tritone subs are just chords that share the same third and flat 7 but inverted, you know. These 2 chords get the same third and flat 7, but what is third and flat 7 for my F, it's the flat 7 and third for my B dominant chord. So imagine 2 beats here, 2 beats here, 2 beats here, 2 beats here, keep on with the root position third inversion. This is a very cool trick that will solve a lot of problems when it comes to add more harmony to the progression, trying to be more organic. So use them anytime you want. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, you got all the PDFs available on my website for free, so check them out. See you in the next chapter.